Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time. Being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company down.
So I haven't done an unboxing like this in quite some time, but I want to just show you guys what you get when you order a refurbished drone from the DJI store. So you can see right up here in the upper left hand corner, it says RB unit. That means this is a refurbished unit. This is the DJI Air 2S. So you can see it comes in a new box. All right, it's sealed and packaged, and we're just going to crack it open. All right, and I'm going to show you exactly what you get. Now, I've purchased 2 other refurbished drones from the DJI store previously. I purchased a Phantom 4 and I purchased a DJI Spark, and both you wouldn't have been able to have told that they were refurbished. Everything looked new to me. Okay, the controller looked brand new. You know, never had any problems out of the battery, nothing like that. I'm gonna also show you the website and some of the things that DJI asserts in terms of warranty and things like that, so you have an idea of what all that entails. All right, so one thing you may be wondering about is warranty. Well, DJI offers their standard warranty with all refurbished products. That means you get the same exact warranty as brand new products. And here's everything they do to get the refurbs to market. They inspect the drone to identify any issues. Any damaged or defective parts are replaced. The gimbal, controller, battery, and other peripherals are tested and replaced if needed. They do a flight test. The firmware is upgraded and flight data is reset. Then there's a final inspection. The drone gets repackaged with all new accessories, manual, and props. Okay, now that you have that information, let's get in the box. So let's just slice it open. And I often find the experience of opening a DJI product similar to that of Apple, right? So we've got the tabs here. Boom. All right, let's open this baby up. This is the Fly More combo, as you can see. So it comes with a total of 3 batteries and a case. Let's move that out of the way. So there's the carrying case. Very similar to what you have seen with prior Mavic mini drones. So really nice carrying case. And that's what the drone and all of the peripherals come in. And then here's all the accessories. Let's take a look at what's in here. Quick start guide. And let's open up the accessories here. Very nicely done. Very nice packaging as always. So here's the props. Looks like the ND filters. Yep, these are the ND filters. Very nice. So you get a 4, an 8, a 16, and a 32 ND. Very cool to get those. And I imagine this is a 1-inch sensor on this drone, but if you remember, it does not have a mechanical aperture like the Mavic 2 Pro does. So I'm thinking the reason why they're throwing in the ND filters with the Fly More combo is to kind of compensate and make up for that. Because with a mechanical aperture, you can adjust for different lighting conditions really without the need for ND filters. So that's a nice touch to make up for the lack of that mechanical aperture, I think. You can see the data cables there. There's gimbal. These are probably extra gimbal sticks. USB-C cable for charging. And I believe that's it. Okay, let's take a quick look at the case here once again. So you can see it's this Not sure if it's actual leather, but it feels really good. It's a soft case, so it's not a hard case at all, but really nice and compact. And the fact that they, you can fit all of the batteries and the drone and the controller in this bag right here, let you know how compact the drone is. All right, let's see. Got the front pouch here. Let's see if there's anything in there. Nope. And there we go. Looks like we have area here for storing things. There's nothing in there but poison. All right, let's go ahead and pull the drone out first. All right, and let's take a look at this. So I haven't opened this yet. I haven't looked at the drone yet, but by first account, it looks brand spanking new to me. What do you guys think? And we'll take a look at the camera here as well. But check it out. I'm not seeing anything on this drone that would lead me to believe that it's anything other than brand new. So far, I'm not seeing anything. All right, let's go ahead and unfold the arms. Okay. Okay, so refurbished drone by DJI. Okay, this is what I have become accustomed to. Like I said, I have two drones, or I purchased two drones that were refurbished from the DJI store, and I was more than pleased, more than happy each time. All right, let's go ahead and take the gimbal off here. There we go. And there is the 1-inch sensor. And let me just position this so you can see. I'm not seeing any blemishes. I'm not seeing any scratches. I'm not seeing anything that would concern me at all. And hopefully this is coming through on the camera here. As far as I know, I bought a new drone because it's new to me. It's new to me. And as we looked at before, what DJI does to get these drones ready to put back out on the market, whatever they're doing, man, is remarkable. Okay, so that's the drone. Let's pull out the controller next. Now, one of the main reasons why I chose to purchase this particular drone, I sold my Mavic 2 Pro in order to get this one. And the main reason I did it, one of the main reasons, is because I also have the DJI RC, which came with the Mini 3 Pro, and the Air 2S is compatible with that controller. I have gotten so used to not having to use my phone when flying. It's just so convenient that I jumped at the chance to, I feel like it's an upgrade to newer technology that has a lot of the features, if not more, than what the Mavic 2 Pro had. But anyway, let's open up the controller, which this is still a good controller, right? And I'm happy to have this, kind of as a backup type deal. Or if I'm out flying with someone and, they can fly with this one, fly one drone, I can fly the other. And so there it is. And you can take a look here. It looks like this controller is brand spanking new. Okay. From what I can tell, brand new, all new components, gimbal sticks. Okay, so that's the controller. Okay, so we got the Fly More combo here. So this is the multi-charger, I believe. It's for the 3 batteries. So let's open this up and take a look. There it is. Okay, I see a little bit of a scuff right there. That's the first thing I've noticed. But who cares about that? But that's that. And then this must be where the batteries are. There's nothing in this front pouch here. So that's everything in the bag. Let's open this up. So we got the charger. So there's the charging brick right here. And even this puppy looks new. Okay, got some scratches on there, but nothing I would write home to mom about. One of the batteries is already in the drone, as you can see. So there's one. And here's the second of the three. Take a look at it. Okay, there's the second battery. And just take a look for yourself what this looks like. As far as I'm concerned, I'm looking at a brand new drone. I know that it's been refurbished, but after a while, I'm going to forget that I bought this refurbished. And see how everything is individually packaged. Okay. Let's see, power bank adapter. Okay, so, looks like you can use this to charge something via USB A. Okay, third battery, and just see what we're getting here once again. Okay, so that's everything you get with a refurbished Fly More combo of the DJI Mavic Air 2S.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. No, not yet, whoa. I'm afraid I'll end up nowhere. They keep saying I'll be fine, but how you know that I'll be there when it feels like I'm lying every time someone asks how it goes, and I save the details that actually mean something. Sun is shining, but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's you. Oh, I love it when the love comes around, and then I remember all things must pass. But I'm not gonna wake up, wake up. I'm not ready, let me have another day. Don't wake up, wake up. Keep it steady, cause I'm happy, I'm not gonna wake up. No, not yet.